Very good morning, guys. So before, guys, online students, are you able to hear me? Am I audible? Okay. Okay, fine. So before starting up the session, let me introduce myself to you. I'm Mr. Bangaraju, and I'll be dealing up with your classes to you. So I'll be dealing with all your classes. Actually, might be basically talking about myself. I was just associated with Naresh Shetty from the last 15 years. Teaching .NET, teaching .NET, and in my career till now, I taught more than 75,000 people in Microsoft Technologies. From the last 15 years, I taught more than 7. You might be watching up, if at all you come across YouTube and knowledge on .NET, you might be watching up my videos in the YouTube also. Just a lot of videos in the YouTube, 70, 80 videos are available in the YouTube also. And just the channel is naresheti.com. Naresh Shetty. If you just go to YouTube, Naresh Shetty, in that, if at all you just go to C#, you'll be finding up my videos also there. So apart from this, I work for US-based MNC. I work for US-based MNC also. So just live experience, and I will be teaching up the classes also. Only YouTube. You'll get only in YouTube. All the videos are posted in YouTube. Okay. So fine. So coming back to the things. So we have first. Let me tell you about the course details. Let me tell you all about the course details. So what's a course, and what exactly are we going to learn in the course? Okay. I'll provide you the complete information details regarding the course, guys. Today, what's it is? A course is .NET Core Full Stack. A course is going to be .NET Core Full Stack. So what is this .NET Core Full Stack? What is full stack first? Understand the full stack. What is full stack first? So actually, in the olden days means 10 years back, if you see the industry, in the industry, basically when you're building applications, every application has 3 major parts in it. Every application will have 3 major parts in it. What are the 3 major parts? The first part is the UI. The first part is the UI, what the user sees. What the user sees. Suppose if I am opening Facebook, or if I'm opening any website like Amazon, Flipkart, anything like this. So when you open, you get the screen here. You get this particular screen here, and you can just see all the details. This is called UI. This is called as a UI. Okay. Now, guys, if at all you want to search for a product here, you want to search for a product. You want to search for laptops. You want to search for laptop. So you're just going to type laptop. When you type laptops, you'll be getting all the information about the laptops, various laptops that are available. Everything will come. But see, guys, when you enter here, it is going to filter and give you all the things. Means behind the screen, some logic is executing, guys. Behind the screen, some code is executing, and that code will connect to. That code will be just loading all the data from a database. All this information. See, they sell millions of products. Yes or not? All the information of the products is available under their database. All the information of the products is available under the database. So when I just type something like a laptop and click on the search, what happens, behind the screen, some logic will execute, and that logic will be going to database and loads the data from the database and displays the output to you and giving the output to you. Who shows the output? UI. UI shows the output. And in the background, some logic is executing, backend logic is executing. Okay, that's called as a middleware. And the middleware executes all the logic. Where is the actual data? The actual data is present in the backend. What is that? Database. The actual data is present in the backend. What is that? Database. So 3 things. What are 3 things? UI, middleware, database. Nothing but the backend. UI is also called front end. UI is also called as a front end. Database is also called as a back end. In between, you have a middleware. So these are the three things what every application will have. These are the three things what every application is going to have. And what I'm telling you, 10 years back in the industry, it used to be like this. What's it? One set of people used to focus on designing the user interfaces. This UI designing and all is focused by a set of people. Another set of people used to focus on writing the middleware code. All the middleware code will be written. Another set of people used to focus on database programming. So like this, we used to have separate people working on them. Database programmers are different. Okay, UI developers are different. Middleware code writers are different. Like this, we'll have different people performing the actions. End of the day, all code is integrated to make up the application. But what is happening, from the past 3-4 years, or past 5 years, if you see in the industry, companies are expecting one person to do all these things. Means I am a UI designer here. You are a middleware writer. Someone is a database. I depend on you. You depend on the other without this dependency. What companies want, the companies want you to do everything from top to bottom. Means from UI designing to middleware writing, for database management, for everything, single person should be responsible. Without breaking them, only single person only should be doing all these things. So that's what full stack means. Full stack means top to bottom of the application, you'll be having knowledge. So it's not like you have knowledge only on UI designing. It's not like you have knowledge only on middleware writing, or you have knowledge only on database programming. You have knowledge from A to Z in the application development. Are you clearer or not? Okay, so that's what. So from the past 5 years, full stack is in full demand. Full stack developers are going to have a great demand. Everyone is expecting a full stack programmers in their companies now. So they don't want only front end developers or back end developers. What they want is full stack developers. So very great demand here, excellent opportunities. Like within 2-3 years of experience also, they are in 12 to 14 lakhs packages. Within 2 to 3 years of experience also, you can expect a package of 12 to 14 lakhs, 12 to 15 lakhs a package. And the percentage hike is like 100 to 120% also. Percentage increments when you just change of the companies also 100 to 120% of increments you can expect today as a full stack developer. So that has a great demand now. Now coming to the full stack developers, we have basically 3 different types of full stack developers now. What are the 3? One is Java full stack developers. Second one, .NET full stack developers. Third one, Python full stack developers. So what is the first one? Java full stack developer, .NET full stack developer. Third one is Python full stack developer. What is this? Java is a product of Oracle Corporation here. .NET is a product of Microsoft. Python, same way Python also belongs to some company. Like this, everything belongs to different companies. Okay. So what is the difference in these things means? The difference in all these things is the programming language. The programming language we are going to choose. The programming language we are just going to choose. Yeah, that is UI full stack developer. Shubham, that's not like a web full stack, that is UI full stack developer. Okay. So the programming language we choose. In Java full stack developers, the programming language what they use is Java, a product of Oracle Corporation. In .NET full stack developers, the programming language what we use is C#. The programming language what we use is C#, a product of Microsoft. A product of Microsoft. And if at all you just come to Python full stack developer, the programming language what we use is Python. Okay. Same way we have one more thing called UI full stack developer here. UI full stack developer. There they use Node.js. There they use the programming languages Node.js. Node.js will be used. Okay. But frankly speaking, guys, popularity wise, you are getting jobs in UI full stack developer, but going forward, having knowledge on some programming language is very important. Going forward, having knowledge on one programming language is very important. So we have four options actually. We have four options. One is Java full stack developer, .NET full stack developer, Python full stack developer, and UI full stack developer. As of now, Python full stack developers are not in great demand. Python full stack developers are not in great demand. We don't have a great demand for them. Reason is basically Python is a language mostly used in machine learning and data science. Python is a language mostly used in machine learning, AI, data science. In general application development, Python is not that popular. Python is not that popular. Okay, so it's not going to be that popular. So then what we have demand is we have demand for these three now. What three? UI full stack developers, .NET full stack developers, and Java full stack developers. UI full stack developer, what is the drawback is? What the drawback is? For server-side programming, they use a programming language called Node.js. It's not going to be a full-fledged programming language like Java and C#. It's not like a full-fledged programming language like Java and C#. Scope-wise, opportunities are there, but scope-wise, it will have less scope. If you leave that, the other two, what we have is Java, .NET. Java and .NET. In Java, it's a Oracle product, and the programming language what they use Java. .NET is a product of Microsoft, and the programming language what we use is C#. Okay, in these two, which one is better here? Both of them have good opportunities in the industry here. Both of them have good opportunities in the industry. But advantage with .NET is, I'm not telling .NET has more features. .NET has less competition. .NET has less competition. In Java, the competition rate is 1:10. In .NET, the competition rate is 1:3. You have very less competition in .NET when compared with Java. So that is the advantage. So this is our fifth or sixth batch of the full stack. Yeah, this is our fifth or sixth of the full stack batch. Most of the people, what we noticed is, actually this is a 100% placement assistance batch. 100% placement assistance in the sense, in the end of the course, we will be conducting an exam in all the things what we taught to you. And if you are qualified in the exam, it's a promise from Naresh IT, we will place you, provided you qualify in the exam. Okay, you need to do the course perfectly and write the exam. If you qualify in the exam, it's a promise from Naresh IT, we're just going to be placing you. It's a placement assistant, 100% we assisted in the placement. But what we noticed is most of the people got recruited before the course got completed only. We did not help them also. We did not do any help also, but most 50% of the people have 50% of the people have been got their particular jobs directly just in the online, in the Naukris and all, only they got the jobs. Okay, why less competition is, how many people of you know about C#? Tell me. How many people of you know about C# language? Most of the people don't know C# language at all. Most of the people, Java, when I say Java, everyone say, yes sir, we know Java. But most of the people there don't know about C#. The reason, the reason is, Java is basically a part of the academics. In engineering, Java is available. In academics, computer engineering, Java is a part of the academics. So that word Java, and afterwards Python also is added in academics. In your college, even though you did not study computer engineering, from your friends or in the college, you will be hearing the words Java, Python and all. Okay, but C# is not in academics. Because C# is not in academics, 50% of the people don't know about .NET at all. 50% of the people don't know about .NET at all. They don't know .NET at all. Are you clear what I'm saying you? So that's why competition is very less. So many people are not aware of .NET. But it was in the industry from the past 20 years. From the 20 years. Coming February 12th, Microsoft is going to celebrate the 20th anniversary of C#. 20 years of .NET. 20 years of .NET, what they're going to celebrate. And in my career till now, I taught more than 75,000 people from the last 15 years in .NET. So thing is, less people know about it. Less people know about .NET. Because less people are aware of .NET, competition rate is very low. In our institute only, we have 5 or 6 people teaching Java. 5 or 6 people teaching Java. Every day we will be having at least 10 to 15 batches of Java. 10 to 15 batches of Java. Every teacher teaches you 5 classes a day. Yeah. I said, 5 or 6 people are there. Means not even 10 to 15, 20, 25 batches of Java will go every day. Okay. But coming to .NET, I'm only one who teaches .NET in Naresh. I'm only the one who teaches in .NET. And every day I take 4 batches. 4 batches. Mainly remaining all topics, maximum 3 batches here, 2 to 3 batches I will be dealing up. That's it. So you can understand here only how much difference you have now. 20 batches of Java are running and 2, 3 batches or 3, 4 batches of .NET are running. Are you clear? Okay. Just a minute, guys. Learn here, full stack web development, you can learn. Just a minute, all of you. Which language best for web development? Any language is best here. Listen what I'm telling you first. I don't need job. Okay, we'll teach like MVC core. How is the feature of? Okay, let me complete my discussion here. Before I complete my discussion, only why you have hundreds of questions? Listen first. Okay, later on you can raise your questions. So first, let me talk. Finally, I will give you time to ask your questions. Concentrate on what I was telling. Okay, fine. So, what is it here? We have less competition in .NET. So Java also has excellent opportunities. .NET also has excellent opportunities. No doubt about it. But I'm telling you, coming to .NET, we have very less competition. And not only about the less competition, guys. Not only about the less competition. The thing is, I said, most of the people, what I noticed is they are getting opportunities before the course is completed on. Many of the people got recruited already, just either by personally trying in the Naukris and looking at the newspapers, applying and all, only they got jobs. 50% got like this only. Okay. Even we are getting so many companies, asking they'll be conducting recruitment drives. My old students only, who are just in different companies, just coming forward just to conduct a recruitment. Yesterday is one of the student was just messaging, we want to conduct a recruitment drive in your campus. We want people. We just want people and we'll be conducting the recruitment drives. Just a second, all of you. Show you. Just a minute. Yeah, my old student, it seems, I don't even remember, they want to conduct a drive at Naresh IT. So actually a lot of recruitment going on in the companies, guys. A lot of recruitment going on in the companies. So you have excellent opportunities right now, because from the past 2 years, many of the companies did not go for recruitment. Like very less recruitment they have done. Very less recruitment. With the existing resources only, they have just continued with it. But from the last 2-3 months, heavy recruitment is going on in the companies. Very heavy recruitment. Opportunities are very good now. You can easily get off the job today. Okay, perfectly you complete your course, you can easily get off the job today. Okay, so many companies are coming forward directly for performing campus recruitments only in our institute. Okay, I don't know French here. Okay, so now let me tell you. Yeah, even online also you can attend for the interviews, but mostly by end of this month, all the companies will open up here. Even government has ordered to open up the schools. Government has ordered to open up the schools. Companies also will open up. This work from home will be ending up maximum by end of the March. Work from homes and all the things will be ended up officially. Everyone they will ask to come to offices. Yeah, just wait here. I'll answer your questions in the last. Stop questioning, please. Stop questioning, please. I'll give you answers to all your questions. Okay, in the last. In the last, I'll give you answers to all your questions. Okay. So, okay, guys. So, what are we going to learn? What are we going to learn? For all your questions, I have answers. Listen. These are the things what we are going to learn in our course, guys. We'll be learning one programming language. What is that? C#. That is a programming language what we learn. And this language is as similar to your C language. This language is as similar to your C language. Okay. And basically C language is not object oriented and C# is object oriented. Okay. Advanced version of the C. Actually guys, C, advanced version is C++. Advanced version for C++ is C#. Do you understand? C language. Advanced version is C++. Advanced version to C++ is C#. Next, we'll be learning some web technologies for building web applications. We'll be learning web technologies will be for building web applications. What are the web technologies? We'll be learning two web technologies, guys. One is ASP.NET and second one is ASP.NET Core. Second one is ASP.NET Core. Nitin, this is the answer for you. I know all your questions here. I have answers for all the questions. That's why wait, let me complete my discussion. You will get all your answers what you want. Okay. So we'll be learning two web technologies for building web applications. Means just now we opened a application like Amazon. It's a web application. It's a web application. So to build that web applications, we have two options available. I'll show you both the two options. One is ASP.NET old one and the latest is ASP.NET Core, the latest version. Okay. Next, our applications, what did I say guys? Our applications will be getting the data from a database. We'll be getting a data from the middleware communicates with the database and gets the data from the database. Middleware is written by C# actually. Middleware is written by C#. Data will be stored in a database. So now C# requires to communicate with the database. Now C# requires to communicate with the database. To communicate with the database, we'll be having three technologies what I will teach you. What are the three? Edu.NET, LinkU, NT Framework. NT Framework. All these three things will be learning. NT Framework Core. NT Framework and Core. All these things will be learning for communicating with the databases. Okay now? Second. Third. Next. You'll be learning one database, guys. You'll be learning one database. And the database is SQL Server. Middleware is the code here. Your application code is written and that is called middleware. Middleware is the place where the logic executes. Middleware is the place where the logic executes and we write that code by using C#. We'll be learning on database guys and the database what we use is SQL Server. SQL Server is the database what we use. And also for UI designing, we'll be learning some UI technologies. What are the UI technologies you'll be learning? HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, CSS, Bootstrap and Angular. Okay. These are the things what we'll be learning totally in your course. Tomorrow, if you go to, when I just go to Java, if you go to Java, what is the difference, you know? Programming language will be Java. And coming to web technologies, they'll teach you some web technologies called JSP, servlets. We have some web technologies, Spring Boot. These are all the web technologies what they use. Same way they have some database technologies. To communicate with the database. They call it as a JDBC. That is the technology what they use. And their database is Oracle. And these are common there also. The last one, what I said you, even in Python full stack, Java full stack, .NET full stack, all are same. What will be the different? Programming languages, web technologies will be varying, but otherwise full stack means same everywhere. Is it clear? Yes or not? So you will be learning up all these things in your course. After learning this course, can I work for a company with 3 years of experience? How do I know here how much you concentrate and learn? I'll teach you the maximum extent. I'll teach you to the maximum extent, but you're required to do practice and all. ASP.NET means MVC only. Yeah. ASP.NET means MVC only. I'm telling you guys, stop your questions here. Let me talk. I'll answer all the things. Stop your questions. You're disturbing the environment. Stop it. I'll give you time in the last. I'm telling you now what I'll teach everything. I know all your questions. I'm answering all your questions. After completely my discussion, then you raise your questions. Okay? Please stop your questions. Fine. So these are the things. And guys, the total duration of the course is 6 months, guys. The course duration is going to be 6 months. Because you're not learning only one thing. Just to learn C language only, it will take 45 to 2 months, guys. It is advanced. You'll be learning web development, database programming, lot you'll be learning here. So the total course duration is going to be 6 months. Okay. So max, I said you. That is a max value, max only, and I said you about that. Okay. So it won't go beyond that. We'll be finishing within 6 months course. And the fees for the complete course is going to be 9,000. Just 9,000. Even for recruitment also, they don't charge you any single rupee. You pay 9,000 and they will help you in the recruitment also. Again, for recruitment also, you don't require to pay even a single rupee. After the completing of the course, you'll be having an exam. Whoever completes that exam, you'll be having a project training. You will be having a live project training. And after completing the project training, they will be sending you to placements also. They'll be sending you to placements also. All these things with that 9,000 rupees what you pay only. Not even a single rupee they'll ask you to pay extras. Is my point clear? Okay. So that's the first important thing. Okay. So that the total duration is going to be 6 months and the fees will be 9,000 rupees. And another important thing, what I just wanted to tell you is, another important thing what I used to tell you is, you're required to attend multiple classes at a time, Shan. Basically, to complete the course, you're required to attend 6 classes. 6 different classes you need to attend. 6 different classes. Every topic will be 2 months. Everything will be 2 months. So, what is this is, every day we will be conducting 2 sessions. Every day we'll be conducting 2 sessions. Okay? So, one in the morning, one in the evening, like this, will be conducting 2 sessions every day. Is my point clear? So that means within 2 months, you will be completing of 2 topics. So 2 topics like this, every 2 months you complete 2. Totally by end of the 6 months, you'll be completing all the 6 now. So what are the 6 things you'll be, learning will be, there are the 6 things, guys. Total 6 classes you will be attending. The first thing is C#. The first thing what you'll be learning is C#. Okay. Now you already started C# now, and there is no dependency for this. Means no dependency in the sense you can learn it directly. You can learn it directly. But knowledge on C language is mandatory. Knowledge on C language is mandatory. Dependency between these courses I'm talking. That's all. Second topic is UI. What you learn here? HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, CSS, Bootstrap. All these things you'll be learning. But this also you don't have any dependency. Means you can do it. SQL Server is the third thing you will do. But this also there is no dependency. Now the fourth one what you will be learning is ASP.NET Web Forms. And guys, if you want to learn ASP.NET Web Forms, you need knowledge on all these 3. What 3? Knowledge on C#, UI, SQL Server. You require knowledge on all these three. Without knowledge on all these three, you cannot attend for ASP.NET Web Forms. The fifth topic what we'll be learning is ASP.NET MVC and Web API. ASP.NET MVC and Web API. Okay. And for this also, guys, you require knowledge on C#, UI and SQL Server. All this knowledge is just going to be important. Here also you require the knowledge on all the things. And lastly, what you'll be learning is Angular with TypeScript. And what you require is knowledge on UI. Knowledge on UI is required. Are you clear? First three things, I said you there is no dependency. First three things you don't have any dependency. What? C#, UI, SQL Server. Okay, so you can do these three independently. Someone is asking like, can I complete my course within earlier without 6 months? Yeah, you can. If you can attend 3 classes a day, you can. You need to attend 3 classes a day. If you do 3 classes a day, then you can complete your course in 4 months only. But people, I'm just telling you, who are new into this, means who are freshers, who came into the industry, I don't suggest. You won't understand. You won't understand. Programming is not easy here. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be simple like your C language, what you learned. It's a rocket science. We just require to learn a lot of things. Don't take the pain. 3 classes, 4 classes, I don't recommend. So I suggest you attending 2 classes a day. You're attending for C# now. You're attending for C# now. Okay. Now the second class what you can attend is SQL Server. The second class what you can attend is SQL Server. Actually, SQL Server started on Monday, guys. SQL Server started on Monday only. Monday it started off. These 4 classes today I will. You can attend the session from today. For these particular 4 classes, introduction classes only happened. They'll give you videos for it. Don't bother. Are you clear? They'll give you videos. So do these 2 things parallelly. What to? C# and SQL Server. C# and SQL Server, do these 2 courses parallelly, all of you. Is it clear? And if at all you just wanted to, okay, today only they're starting DBMS. Okay. See guys, regarding the batch information and all, visit our website naresheti.com. naresheti.com. In the naresheti.com website, all of you look. Go to new batches section. Go to new batches section. And in the new batches section, select Hyderabad. Okay, not online batches, guys, Hyderabad. If you go for Hyderabad, if you come down, you'll be getting the list of all the new batches that are going to start time to time. All the new batches that are going to start. See that you have an SQL Server class here. Actually started on 2nd. They changed the date, I think. No, started on Monday, guys. No worry, they'll give you videos to you. The time is 6 p.m. So how can I attend, sir? Click on the register now. You will automatically be sent with a link. You click on the register now, you will be receiving the link now. Click on register, it will ask you for your phone number. Enter it, you will receive the link. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. So you people can attend 2 classes. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. 1 in the morning, so that you have time to practice first. You'll be having time to practice. If at all anyone want to say, I want to complete up in earlier, means you need to attend for 3 classes. You need to attend for 3 classes. When UI starts, you just can attend for UI also. Okay. Right now UI started off already 2 weeks back. UI, HTML, not UI, yes, set for HTML classes will be. No, there is no batch for HTML right now. Not UI full stack. HTML batches will be there, guys. You need to attend for that HTML classes separately if you want to do faster. But as per my suggestion, what I suggest you is only 2 classes a day. More than 2, you cannot receive it. You cannot understand the subject also. I don't suggest you. I hope you guys are clear. So better what you do is you just go with SQL Server. Okay. And these are the 2 things what you can just do. So totally 6 classes is at you. Totally 6 classes what you will be attending. And these are the 6 things what you will be attending. What did I say? There is no dependency for C#, no dependency for UI, no dependency for SQL. Anytime these 3 batches you can attend off. No restrictions at all. But when you want to go for ASP.NET or MVC or Angular, compulsory these knowledges are important. In the first case you need C#, UI and SQL Server knowledge. Second case also you need C#, UI and SQL Server knowledge. Okay, in both the 2 cases you need C#, SQL Server and this knowledge. Finally, the last thing, what is it? Angular. For Angular, UI knowledge required. Clearer? Okay. So every topic will take 2 months time, guys. Every topic. C#, 2 months. ASP.NET, 2 months. MVC, 2 months. For everything, 2 months of time it will take for you to complete the class. So C# and SQL Server, if you do parallelly, by the end of this, you will start with any other 2 things over there. Okay, now? Fine. You can join only for C#. Komal, you can join only for C#. Yeah, you don't record just when you're paying the fees, don't pay for full stack. Pay only for C#. But if you pay only for C#, they'll charge you 3,000 rupees. If you go for full stack, it is 9,000. If you go for C#, it is only, they'll ask you to pay 3,000 rupees. And guys, any other information, you just want related to the course or anything, this is the admin's contact number. That is the admin contact number. Your offline students, you can directly contact in the office here, no bother. But online students, for all the online students, so this is the admin contact number. You can ping him and he will provide you the complete information. Okay, next. Yeah, guys, I just wanted to tell you some important things here, all of you. These are the important, crucial points all of you should understand. Point number 1. Session can start anytime between morning 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. I am not giving you guarantee the batch will start at this time only. Because so many people, we started C# now. Everyone will think like all classes will go here at 10 only. If all the classes has to be started at 10 only, it will take 1 year to complete the course now. 2 to 2 months, 6 classes, 1 year to complete the course. Okay. So I am not promising you the timings. I am not promising you the timing. The timings can be anytime between morning 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. You have your classes. Right now, see, we have it 10 now. Next class is at 6 o'clock. Understood? Huh? So that's the first point I want to tell you. Second point. Once the session starts at a time, there will not be any changes into that time. Now we started C# at 10 now. No changes to this now. Until the class is completed. Some people ask me, sir, change the time. Not possible. Because it is based on our faculty free time here. Now I have a free slot here. I cannot change the slot now. Okay. So once the time is fixed, no changes will be present for the time again. Next. First we'll start with C# here and telling you the class timing not 10 guys. It will start at 10:15 and will be until 11:30. 1 hour 15 minutes session. 1 hour 15 minutes session. 10:15 to 11:30 will be the session timing, the session duration for you. Okay. Already said you each topic will be for 2 months. Daily attend for 2 topics. There is no project included in the course. There is no project included in the course. But one thing I said to you, what is it? Read this point. An opportunity from Naresh ITS. In the end of the course, we will be conducting an exam for all the students, and whoever qualify in that will be trained on we have a live project training and then placed by us. Okay. Only for 2018 and above pass outs. 2018 and above pass out. Someone asking, sir, 2021 you are eligible here. We are giving promising for 2018 and above pass outs. Less than 2018, we are not promising. If you want to learn the course, learn it. That your responsibility to try for the job. If you are 2018 and above pass outs, we promise you placements. Clear? Okay. BE, BTech or any post graduation. BE, BTech, any post graduation from computer background. And coming to BE, BTech here, no restriction. Civil engineering also okay. For BE, BTech, civil also okay. But for other postgraduates, computer background is mandatory. Basically, you are coming from MSc. So I done MSc biology. MSc biology, I cannot place you in the software industry. MSc computer sciences, fine. Engineering, no restriction. Engineering, no restriction. Triple ECE, even civil also. Even civil also. If you're engineering, anything is okay. But other things, compulsory, you just require to have computers background. Okay? Why MCA? MCA post graduation only now. Why you're talking MCA? MCA post graduation only now. Computer only. Daily 2 topics means, see, these are the topics I said you. These are the list of the topics I was listing you. Daily you will be attending for 2 sessions. And as of now, I said you'll be attending for C# and SQL Server. Means one session will be C# and one session will be for SQL Server. I done BCom, you're not eligible. You are not eligible. First point I want to tell you guys, graduates with 15 years of education are not eligible. Why, sir? What is the problem? That is not the problem, yeah. That is not about the problem. The thing is, companies require 16 years of education. Companies require 16 years of education. Tomorrow, if they want to send you to the abroad for client, if the client requirements, if they want to send you, your visa will not be stamped without 16 years education first. So compulsory, what is required is 16 years education if they want to send you abroad. So that is the reason why engineerings, even though they're graduates, they're given a prime priority because engineering is 16 years now. You come from graduation, 3 years only. So you are 15 years education. You will get jobs, guys. But problem is you will not have scope, more scope. You will not have more appraisals than when compared with 16 years education. If it is BCom, no chance at all. They won't consider. If you guys have any friends or anyone who can help you, that's what. You have BTech now. Why you are again asking MBA and HR? You have BTech now. You are eligible for that. BTech is there for you. Any BTech and BE are eligible. Okay? Yes. That only I said you in the first point. There can be any time between morning 7 to evening 7. Okay. Next. This is the other important. Duration for each session daily will be 115 to 130 minutes. 115 to 130 minutes. Prerequisites. C language is mandatory. C language is mandatory. Without knowledge on C language, I can't help you. Is that clear? Knowledge on C language is mandatory. So compulsory, you must be having C language knowledge. Okay? Complete notes of the topic will be provided to you in a Word or PDF format. From the day 1 to day end, I'll give you the complete notes to you in a PDF or a Word document. Next, for details of new batches, you can visit our website. This is our website. Are you clearer, guys? Okay, this is the complete information for you. I have completed MBA. Can I learn easily? Do you have knowledge on C language? Do you have knowledge on C language? Knowledge on C language is mandatory, guys. No knowledge on C language, you cannot understand .NET or Python or Java, nothing you can understand. You require knowledge on C language. You can get a job, Nitin, you need to try and experienced. First thing, Komal, if you are learning C#, for C# why are you learning Oracle? For C# Oracle is not suitable at all. You need to go for SQL server. That's a mistake. You can get Lavanya. When you completed your MCA, that's important. Okay. So that's the complete information about the course content. Yeah, this is what we will be teaching. So this is what we'll be teaching. And another thing for you. No videos will be provided. No videos will be provided. We will only give introduction class videos. That's it. Once the batch starts, once the programming starts, not even a single video will be given to you. Am I clear? Okay. But mainly for online students, you must be regular in the classes. No videos will be given. Okay. And next thing, the class commences both offline and online also. You can attend anywhere you want. That's your choice. We'll be commencing the classes both online and offline also. You can attend anything you just want. Okay. If anyone wants to personally come to offline classes, you can come to offline classes also. I can't help you here. This is our policy. We don't give you videos at all. Okay. Please don't ask me about that. Even though you say you pay double amount also, they won't give videos. They won't give videos. Don't again ask about this particular question. Because if you start giving the videos to the students and once the videos goes into the market, who will attend the classes here? No one will attend the classes. Even you ask them to pay, you will pay 50,000 rupees also. They won't give you videos. Very clearly telling you all. Okay. Don't again ask me the question like, sir, videos. We don't give. We don't give the videos. Timings 10:15 to 11:30 will be our class. I don't teach in the evening. I don't teach in the evening. I teach only until 1 o'clock. And guys, one more thing I want to tell you. In all these topics, I will be dealing 3 topics to you. 3 things I'll teach. What are 3 things? C#, Headphone, web forms and MVC. All the things related to programming, I'll teach you. All the things related to programming, I will only teach you. Is that clear? And SQL, UI will be taught by a different faculty. SQL Server will be taught by a different faculty. And Angular will be taught by a different faculty. I will be dealing 3 topics to you. C#, web forms and MVC. Clear? All the things mainly programming part, I will only talk. I will only teach. So no worries about that. I will be teaching all these things. Yeah, I will not be taking classes in the evening, guys. My classes will be only until 1 o'clock. All my classes will be only in the morning sessions only. Okay. SQL Server timings is 6 o'clock. I already shown you the website. Go to the website and here you have the SQL Server information. You can click on the register and you can. This is the Narashetty website, narashetty.com. See, you have time or don't have time. I can't tell that. It depends upon your skills here. Which course, if you learn fast, you will get out the job. Means without applying the skills, any course you learn, you won't get the job. Skills are important. Better you just go for attending for UI. If you're good in UI designing. If you feel you're good in UI designing, go to UI. That's my suggestion. Okay. Yeah. You want to join 145, then also you'll pay 9,000 only. Because then also they'll charge you 3,000 for each course. 9,000 you get all. If you say individual, each course they'll charge you 3,000. Yes, guys. They're giving you a discounted price. If you pay 9,000 for all these courses, you say I want to join only one course, they'll be charging you 3,000 for each course. They'll be charging you 3,000 for each course. You'll be paying nearly SQL Server and HTML won't be that much fees. 1,000 less means you'll be paying 15 to 16,000 if you go for individual classes. If you join in means total package will be given for you 9,000. Okay. So this is about our course, guys. This is the complete information for you about the course. Okay. So these are the various things what we'll be learning. And to complete the course, I said you daily you will be attending for 2 sessions. 2 sessions. So total number of topics are 6 topics. 6 topics. And for 2 months, you'll be completing 2 topics. 2 months, 2 topics you'll be completing. So total course will be completed for you within 6 months. Okay. In this, some will not take 2 months here. Some may take more than 2 months. Like HTML, JavaScript will not take 2 months to you. Less than 2 months only that will be completed. SQL Server, MVC will take 15 days more. We'll adjust that. In other class, that will be adjusted, not a problem. So total duration will be 6 months here. 6 months will be the total duration for the complete course. Okay. You guys have any questions? Yourself sitting in the classroom. Any doubts for anyone? Everything is clear? Okay. So that's what. Yes, guys. Hold on, guys. I'll give you time here. Stop here. Stop questioning. Stop questioning. I'll give you time, please. BCom, I'm telling you, graduations are not valid, guys. You have 15 years education only. 15 years education, you cannot get a good position in development. You may get a job, but afterwards you will not have, you will not be going, the levels will not go up. PG, if you are from engineering, fine. But if you are going to come from graduation, PG is mandatory. Okay, PG is going to be mandatory. That's what I just wanted. Because see, you say okay, no problem, you join. Afterwards, I don't want you to suffer. So that's why I'm talking the facts. So these are facts. Okay, so because you pay the money, I say, you join off. Afterwards, you pay the money, I can't help you, I don't say. So these are what? You need to struggle. You need to struggle if at all you come for this directly. You can get job, but later on, you will not be going to good positions. That's what. Clear? Classes will be 6-day week. Classes will be 6-day week. Saturday also we have a class. Saturday also we have a class here. Sunday is a holiday. If you are not able to attend SQL server, you can go to next. See guys, one more thing I just want to tell you. You pay the fees, your validity is 1 year. You pay the fees, your validity is 1 year. If you say I cannot attend at this time, you can do in the next batch. Not at all a problem. Clear all of you? So we are not going to tell you, you need to complete of this only. We are not saying. Choice is given to you. You have 1 year validity of your course. Today you pay the fees, for the next 1 year, any time you can attend the class. But once you start it, again they don't give you a chance to break it. Are you clear? You start it, again they don't give you a chance to break it. If you want to do it, they'll ask you to pay rejoining fees again. But you say I will go at this time, continue. They won't stop you. 1 year, you have this option. Anytime you can just go do a course. Sir, not possible for me in different timings. I want to do all that this time only. That is also possible. But it takes long time to complete for you to course. Option is yours. We are not restricting. But if you want to do it faster, the plan of action I said you. This will be the plan of action what I just said you. Okay? Fine. Yeah. So this is the complete information, guys. And all the online students take a note of this number. All the online students take a note of this particular number. And if you have any other non-technical questions, you can just contact the admin. Non-technical, you can just contact the admin. Okay, this is the admin number. Regarding the fees and all the things, he will help you. Okay, the name is Srinivas. The name is Srinivas. You can just contact him. If anyone wants to attend offline, you can just attend offline also here. The classes are going offline. The classes will go offline also. Okay, just wait another 10 minutes, guys. I'll answer all your questions, online students. Another 10 minutes, I'll answer all your questions, online students. Please hold on. Okay, fine. So what's the course, guys? We are just going to learn .NET Core Full Stack. .NET Core Full Stack. So the first point here, what we just require to know now is, what is this .NET? What is this .NET? You're telling .NET Full Stack. So what is this .NET? Actually, guys, .NET is a product of Microsoft. .NET is a product of Microsoft that was launched in the industry. For developing various different kinds of applications. I repeat again, .NET is a product of Microsoft that was launched in the industry for developing various different kinds of applications. Like what? Have a look. You have a website called .NET.Microsoft.com. You have a website called .NET.Microsoft.com. Just now I said you. On Feb 12, they're going to celebrate the 20 years of .NET actually. See, .NET 20 years. Free, cross-platform, open source, developer platform for building all your apps. All your apps. If you come down, yeah, not 12th here, I said wrong. Feb 14. Feb 14th is the 20 years of .NET actually. Okay, there is a live seminar. Okay, there's some seminar on the day about this. And various topics, they're just going to conduct different seminars here. Just a minute. Yeah. What you can do with .NET? You can build all these applications by using .NET here. You can build all these applications by using .NET. What applications? Web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications, microservices, cloud-based applications, machine learning, game development, Internet of Things. So it's not like one different thing here. Tomorrow someone asks what is .NET? What's your answer, you know? It is a developer platform. It is a developer platform for building various kinds of applications. For building various kinds of applications like web, mobile, desktop, microservices, cloud, machine learning, game development, and IoT. All these kind of applications you can develop by using .NET. Is it clear, all of you? All these kind of applications you can develop by using the .NET. So that's the first important point to remember. You can use .NET in all the areas. In all the areas. But actually, guys, in some areas, some are strong. In some areas, some are strong. For example, you take mobile. You take mobile area. In mobile area, guys, Java is strong. In mobile area, Java is very strong. No one can beat Java in mobile. In mobile, Java is strong. In desktop development, in desktop development, .NET is popular. For desktop development, they won't use Java. Java mostly used in web and mobile only. But desktop application development, they won't use Java at all. Their .NET is popular. .NET is popular in the desktop development area. .NET is popular in the desktop development area. When you talk about desktop development, .NET is popular. Take Python. Python is popular in machine learning, data science, AI. In those areas, just Python is going to be used. So every language can be used in multiple places. We can use every language in multiple places, but they'll be having a strong base in some area. They'll be having a strong base in that particular area. See, like say, you see, you take like a cricket player, you take a cricket player. He can bat. Some players are there. They can bat, they can bowl also. But they're more strong in batting. You say Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar can bowl. Sachin Tendulkar can bowl. We saw Sachin. But is he strong in bowling? Sachin Tendulkar's strong area is batting. He's a good fielder. He fields. Even Virat also bowls sometimes. Okay, but they are all people strong in batting. Okay. Same way, some people are strong in bowling. Okay. Some people are strong in bowling. So we cannot expect them to bat. We cannot expect them to bat. So like this, they can do, but they're not strong. Same way, all languages can do all the things here, but there'll be some strong base. So Java is very strong in mobile development. .NET is very strong in desktop development. Python is very strong in machine learning. And coming to web applications, if you talk about web application, in web application, Java, .NET both are popular. Coming to web development, Java, .NET both are popular. Both these two are popular in web development. Okay, so coming to robotics, two languages are very popular in robotics: Python and C#. Python and C#. Coming to robotics, Python language and C# language are going to be very popular. So in some areas they will be strong, and based on the application we develop, we just choose it. So many people ask this question: which one is better? Which one will I get a job? Everywhere you will get a job here. Everywhere you get a job. There is nothing like in this only you will get a job, or nothing like in this only you will get a job. In all areas you will get the job. Okay. Thing is, how did you learn the subject first? That's important. If you are good in the subject, in every area, getting a job is easy. It's not going to be a problem at all. In all areas, you can get a job. Am I clear what I said to you? Yes or not? So you should be 100% efforts in learning the subject. You need to have 100% efforts in learning the subject. I'll tell you, I don't know what is a computer in my academics at all. I don't know what is a computer in my academics. My graduation is BCom. My graduation is BCom and my post-graduation is MBA marketing. I don't know what is a computer in my academics. It's my interest. After completing my PG, I got some interest and learned the subject. But when we came in the industry, at the time, there is no education restriction. There is no education restriction because here, when we came here, engineers are very less. Later on, engineering colleges grown a lot and number of engineering people came up. At that time, engineering people are not available. Only few colleges to get, you got a seat. When we are studying, getting a seat in engineering is very great. Today, how do you get a seat in IIT? How do you see? Earlier year, when we are reading, at that time, if you study engineering, they used to say that much of great. Today, engineers are everywhere. Yes or not? So how great you look at a doctor studying a doctor medicine, same you used to have for engineering students also, but they just increase the number of colleges. So at that time, if the companies want to recruit only engineers, they don't have. So at that time, no restriction. They used to take MBA or anything also they used to take. But I faced a problem in the initial days. In the initial days, I struggled a lot because of my MBA. I just was selected in Oracle Corporation. I just selected, not selected, went for a walk-in, completed 6 rounds of interviews here. Technical, all the rounds, machine test, everything completed. Finally, I was rejected in my HR. I was rejected in my HR because of my MBA. I had to face some problem on this particular thing. But at the time, only big companies used to just check for this. But small companies are open. But now small companies are also asking for engineerings and computer backgrounds and all the things. Okay. So that's what, when we came, it's not like it's open. But I got interest in learning the subject. I learned it. And I taught 75,000 people till now in .NET till now. Without having without not even having any knowledge on computers in my academics. So you need to have interest in the subject first. That's important. If you have interest in the subject, nothing is rocket science. You can flourish anywhere. Okay, but you need to put 100% efforts. 100% efforts. Another thing is, at the time, mobile phones are there here, but mobile phones are very expensive. Okay, and we don't have any apps on the mobiles also. But today, what is your problem is, per day, you're sleeping for 5 or 6 hours, and most of the time, half of the day you're spending with your mobile phone only. Okay, that is another problem, which is going to completely deviate you. So that's what. Okay, just until the sometime, just stay away from your mobile. Stay away from your mobile. Okay, all the other apps. Okay, minimum what you require, but remove all the other things first and concentrate on your subject. If you can concentrate on the subject, within 6 months, you will be settled in the industry. You'll be settled in the industry. Once you get a job, not a problem. Then you can jump from other things. But first thing is getting a job is only important. Okay, so you need to just work hard to get the job. So that's what. So efforts are important. Just not listening to the class. After listening to the class, after going home, how much time are you spending practicing them? Listening, I'll teach you everything. I will write a program of 100 lines or 1,000 lines without an error. You write a program of 10 lines, you will get 10 errors. That's what. That's my experience. But you don't have it. That's what you require to gain. That's what you just require to gain going forward. Okay. So you need to be very perfect in implementation of the coding, writing the code, all the things you should have that perfect. So practice, how much time you spend on the system is important. Okay, practicing the subject, what I said. That's why I said you 2 classes why I given you is 115 minutes I teach you. You need 3 to 4 hours practice. 115 minutes only I'll teach you, but you need 3 to 4 hours of practice basically. Is it clear? So that's what I'm just trying to tell you. You need to do a lot of practice. I will take you deep into the sea. I'll take you deep into the sea. That's your problem now to come out of it. Okay, I'll take you deep into the sea and leave you there. So that is now what you require to do to come out of the sea. Your hard work takes you there. Your hard work is only important. Is that clear? Okay. So this what about the things here? Well, I just want to, there's online students, you can wait for your questions, I'll answer you. I will wind up the session for here today. From tomorrow onwards, I'll take you into the subject. Today, I just thought of telling you about the course details, that's all. Tomorrow, I'll take you into the subject. We'll tell you what is .NET, what you can do, all the things I'll start from tomorrow onwards. Features, functionalities, all the things I'll tell you tomorrow. Is that clear? Okay. So same time tomorrow, we'll start by set 10:15 guys, 10:15 and the session will be until 11:30. Until 11:30. Starting days, 5 minutes can be before or some after also it can happen. But once everything gets streamlined, you'll be having complete 115-minute session every day. Is it clear? Okay. You can just clear. We'll meet tomorrow. Yeah. Yes, guys. What's your questions? Tell me now. One by one, please. There is no project with the study. No, I said you now, in the end of the class, you'll be conducted with an exam. If you qualify the exam, we'll be training you on a project. We'll be training you on a project once you complete it. Okay, next. Any question? UI full stack మీరు అది చెప్తాను మీరు yeah, I'm just answering. Just a minute. Just a second, guys. Yeah, end of the course, we have the exam. If you qualify, we'll be trained on a project. UI classes will start. Yes, whoever is it, I don't know what is his name, Hitin, na? What is it? Visit the website here. You have the information of the UI site. You have the information about UI. UI full web stack. I'm placed in HCL through SQL and core Java. Now I'm in .NET project. How can I learn? Can you suggest? You just, if you're capable, you can just watch the Google YouTube videos and learn. Otherwise, attend in the classes. Ongoing students discount. Contact the admin. I'm not responsible. Talk only about the technical fees and all. Contact your admins, please. It's a part of our course now. ASP.NET MVC core is a part of our course. I already said you. It's a part of your course. ASP.NET MVC core is also part of your course. MSc Electronics. MSc Electronics, okay. But not like 100% chances. 50-50 chances. I'm in for C# only, then I'm eligible for placement test. Don't think so. No, Komal. You're not eligible. Yes, you can. You can come to the office and contact me. You can come to the office to contact me, Sheikh. I did not understand your question. Do I have to register for a different part of the course? Did not understand your question, Anurag. What you're trying to ask. Harish, I answered your question. No videos are provided, Mansi. We don't give any videos. Videos are given only for introduction classes. We don't give videos at all. You must be regular in the classes. Videos are not given. Sandhya passed out in 2017. Yes, you can get job. You need to some fake experience and you need to try. If you can climb some fake experience, you can try. Can anyone take the exam? Yeah, anyone can take the exam who completed the course. Komal, I answered your question. You're not eligible. Every day, why you want classroom link? Yeah, the same classroom link will work tomorrow also. If any changes, we will give you. If any changes, we'll give you. Manish, we are learning .NET 6. Manish, we are learning .NET 6. I completed my BSc Computers in 2002. Okay, what next? Sandhya, you're not eligible. We don't. We're promising only for 2018 and above only. 2007, less than 2018, you are only responsible. is .NET Core only here. What did you see? Size 3. .NET Core only. You're learning .NET Core only. It depends upon your ability here. How can I say you can understand or not? It depends upon your ability. Touch with programming. Are you okay with C language? Then you can understand. Okay, if you're placed out in 2021 and completed your basic computer. So what's your question? If I miss some classes, you cannot miss any class. You need to be regular. What will you do if you miss a class in the classroom? Because it is online, you're asking this question here. If you're attending for a classroom, if you miss a class, what then? Now I'm learning SQL, sir. Please tell me, is this okay for this course or else I have to go with SQL, sir? Komal, I said you two classes you can attend every day. You're going with SQL server. You can also start with C#. Anyhow, you're going with SQL server. Go with C# also. Two things you can do. RPA. RPA you want to learn, you're required to learn separately. It's not a part of our course. Admin number is this. Who asked it? Please, Sandhya. Admin. Yeah. This is admin number, Sandhya. What is the IT full details? Yeah, Krishna, you're asking again and again this question. IT full details, IT full details. What is that? What do you mean to ask? IT full details means. In the Naga Pratyusha, if you want to do project, will you help us with that? I will teach you the classes, that's all. I am not responsible for your projects. Yes, 2018 and above background, engineers, MCAs, MSc computers are eligible. Komal, I answered your question already. You can do parallelly two courses. You're doing SQL, C# in the SQL in the evening, do C# in the morning. Sashi, I will tell you the plan of action. I will tell you the plan of action to you. 2 sessions every day means every day you will be attending for 2 separate classes. One in the morning, one in the evening. Dell, sometimes online, sometimes offline. Ask your admin. Ask your admin. Is that possible? I'm not aware. Offline course available in Mumbai. No, offline courses you should come to Hyderabad, not Mumbai. ASP.NET Core is also present in your syllabus, Ashok. I said you already. ASP.NET Core both are there. Krishna, I asked you, sir, you explain IT full details. What is that? Yeah, IT full details. What? I'm placed in HCL. I answered this. Do we learn .NET 5 or .NET 6? I answered this. Triple branch is eligible, but C language knowledge is mandatory. Rahul Singh, can you switch? Yeah, you can switch. Size 3, I answered your question already on the top. Yes. No, you need to. I won't teach C language. This is only what I teach. C is what you require to learn. Sandhya, visit the Narasheti website. The batch is at evening 6 p.m. The batch is at evening 6 p.m. Sandhya. Visit the Narasheti website. Komal, you are again and again asking this question. I said you already. You're attending SQL, you can do C# also. Yes, it's absolute. So what? It's absolute what? Did companies stop? Did the companies stop development of their applications on using ASP.NET? Are you sure, Herschel? When will the batch start? I don't know. Refer to the website and check it out, Sudarshan. So I said you, if you want to less than 6 months, I said you need to attend 3 classes a day. Yes, C# will be taught from the basics. My timings are fixed. Yes, Sandhya, my timings are fixed. No, the total fees is 9,000 Kranti. For 9,000 only, all these things will come for you. For 9,000 only, all these things will come. Yes, yes, Hitin, yes. If you pay 9,000, you don't require to pay anything extra for all the things what I listed here. BSc final year, MSc required here, PG required. PG required. Yeah, I said, 6 topics you required to learn, 6 sessions, Anurag. 6 topics, 6 sessions you required to join. You're not eligible. Dell, MCOM, you're not eligible. Everyone is experienced here, PK. Everyone is experienced. Yes, 2 classes a day. Bilal Khan, 2 classes a day. BSc Physics in 2009. Can I attend exam for completing the course? First point is graduations are not allowed. And that too BSc Physics. We don't provide you, we are not promising you. If you can try on your own, you can try. Shashikant, both of them will not be combined at any point of time. C# is separate, MVC is separate. That's all. Girish, no offline courses in Mumbai. Evening time, I won't teach. Other classes will be in the evening. My classes will be only in the morning, only Bilal. Sai Sri, you can learn here, attend 3 classes a day. No, Bilal, I won't teach in the evening. 2018 BSc Computers. MSc, BSc not eligible. Degree not eligible. Sudarshan, I answered your question. In the Naresh Shetty website, Sheikh Pasha Naresh Shetty website, nareshshetty.com. There is a website, you can refer there. If you have knowledge on C#, why to learn C#? I will teach you C#. I said you need knowledge on C, not C#. C# is what I will teach you. And Nagarupa Devi, BSc Computer Sciences. No. If you can try on your own, you can join. But we don't provide you placement assistant. Final year. For all the graduates, for all the BScs, I'm telling you the same point. We don't promise you. If you can try on your own, you can join. Already said you, these are the 6 topics the course will cover. And in these 6, I will teach you 3 things I already said. C#, web forms and MVC. Niraja. C#, web forms and MVC I will teach. Other faculties will teach UI, SQL and Angular. Yes, Prem, you can start. You can start this in the morning and 1 in the evening. I am not aware of RPA, Sheikh. I cannot answer this question. I am not aware of the opportunities in RPA. I completed BSc Computers, passed out 2021. Again, I'm telling you, for BSc Computers, it is you who need to try. Okay, and you can learn. You are eligible to learn the course, but we don't provide you any placement opportunities. Anita, you don't have any separate. You don't have any separate classes for the things, and maybe it is the case with other. Maybe it is the case with other organizations, not with Naresh IT. You can attend, Nitin. I won't teach a skill. Yes. Yes, Anurag. You need to have your own plans. Prem, evening skill class is already started. Yeah, started 4 days back, and you will get the videos of all the 4 days, Prem. Started 4 days back, and you will get the videos of all the 4 days, Prem. We are not in Mumbai, Girish. We don't operate in Mumbai. Our base is Hyderabad. Anything you require to come to Hyderabad. And that too, we don't have weekend batches. Okay, Sudha, you can leave. Have a nice day. What's your name? IQOO Jet3. What's your name? Is there an upcoming batch which you will be taking before 10 a.m.? It takes time because I'm already engaged. I'm already engaged with other classes. I don't have time now. I'm occupied. Raju, you can learn. Raju Poga Kumar. Yes, you can learn. My WhatsApp number. My number. What do you mean by benefits of C#? It's a programming language and you can develop any kind of application with it. Yes, all the people who don't have any questions can leave. Neeraja, you won't get. You won't get any recordings. That's what I was telling you. You don't get any records except introduction classes. First 1 week, they'll give you videos. That's all. First 1 week only, they'll give you videos. A UI part, when it will be started, you will be informed here. You will be informed. All the batches notice will be putting up in the in our website. Even in the classroom also we'll announce you. In which month API development, I cannot tell you that now. And we'll be using 2022 Visual Studio, Shubham. Yeah, I already said you link is available now. Link is there, see? That's my number. No calls. No calls, please. Only message, WhatsApp. That's all. No calls. Okay, guys. Have a nice day. We'll meet tomorrow, same time. We'll meet tomorrow, same time. Bye, guys.